Our state is changing, and for the better. At sites all across Oklahoma, land once left barren and scarred from the past is being restored. One by one, county by county, Oklahoma's oil and natural gas producers and royalty owners have voluntarily cleaned up more than 12,000 abandoned well sites at absolutely no cost to landowners. Oklahoma's land must be preserved for another valuable resource: future generations of Oklahomans. And though we've covered a lot of ground, our job is not finished. Many sites remain and have yet to be identified, reclaimed, and renewed. What will your number be? Call to register your site today.